In this video, I'm going to show you how to change TikTok username. After creating your TikTok account, you want to change the username, but you don't know how. In this episode, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to change your TikTok username. So make sure to stay to the end of this video to see the entire steps. On your TikTok home feed, navigate towards the bottom right corner and tap on your profile. On this interface, continue to tap on edit profile so you can see your name and username. So in the event we want to change our username, we'll proceed to click on it. So you have the options to edit the username in a way that you so desire, but make sure the username is available, and you can change your username once every month. So in the event the username is available, all we have to do is to make sure we navigate towards the top right corner and tap on save, and this will become your new TikTok username. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.